Hello everyone. One second. Yeah. In previous webinar, I have explained something about walls, doors, windows, Revit. Here it's floors and curtain grid, staircase, and model type also. Today I'll show you the rooms, room separator, tag rooms, and here it's option called room and areas. Before doing this, select the walls. I can draw. Change it into generic walls. Can do this simply. And here I have separated. Then I didn't apply any doors also, just apply the doors for reference purpose, just for showing. It's not actual drawing, just a drawing. And here it's option called room and room separator. Select the room separator, click here. Once again, it's a room. Select the room here and here. And one more thing is from here also, we have created a 3 rooms. Go to tag rooms, tag here, 2, 3. Then click here. I don't want to numbers. Check, apply. Okay. Then you can change into just like say it as kitchen. Reference purpose only I am doing. Kitchen, say it as bath and toilet, and it's a hall. So here I have created. Then here it's option called color screen. Go this category, select into rooms, and go with names. Apply. Okay. Then go with analyze. Here it's a color fill option. Color fill and click here. Yes. Here it is. Nothing will be shown. Then come to properties. Here it's the option called color scheme and select the rooms, select name, apply and OK. You can see shown. Here it's shown. Then you want to separate here and I will click here room separator and do this type. It will separate it automatically. You can see. Then again you have to go to tag rooms. First you have to select the room and select the boundary. Here one more color is called rooms because I didn't give any naming here. Then select the rooms, then select the tag rooms and click here rooms, change it into puja room. Like you can see it's automatically changed it into puja room. Then you have to color change the color also. Click here edit color scheme, go to RGB, you can change anything like colors, apply. Okay, you can see the color has been changed. You can do this also. And one more option is called, yeah, you can separate also. If I create any wall from here, it will separate automatically. mm, Here you can see it's already separated. Then again tag it. It's calculating now. Room. You can give the any name also. So then it's a reference also I have explained, and comes with insert. Can insert the files, cat insert from file, PDF manager, anything you have to insert, Revit files, IFC. IFC means it will easy if you are using Tekla structure. You have to save the file as IFC link. Revit like something option is called Tekla IFC, like something like IFC files you have to save. And again if you are opening in Revit structure, it will comes with IFC links. And if you change something, anything, you have to change that file, it will change automatically to Tekla structure also. And it's one more option is called decay. If you click here, it's option here, it's option called create a new decay. Click this one, and here select the images. What is this? It's showing presentation too. This thing is not one. What is this? Yeah, I have select this one. File, open. It's open. Okay. Okay, you have to go to 3D and select the area. So I select here. You can see I have selected. You can adjust also, like Revit Architecture. It's our webinar. So again I will rotate here, and again I will go with decals. Yeah, can adjust. Can adjust it. So it is the option called decal. You can see how the images look like. It's a day one image, and it's a internet. I'll go with level one. Here is a number of options called spot elevation, spot coordination, spot slope, like aligned. If you go with the dimensions, wall center line, if you click here, wall pace, from face to face you have to give the dimension. If you go with the wall center lines, you have to select the center lines, it will select automatically, you don't want to select. And it's option called spot elevation, spot elevation, spot coordination. What's our coordination? If you set with the coordination, if you're working with the coordination, it will show you automatically. And one more option is called spot elevation, and it will help. I will go with east elevation, and here and on it spot elevation. You can see how quick is 0, 2.6. That's fantastic. It's called the beauty of Revit. Can do anything. Here it's called 2.21 meter height. You can check here 2.21 meter, and edit type 2.2.1. And again spot elevation, click here 2.1. Check here how accurate is this. 2.13. You can see head height, and it's a head height. That's beauty. Detail line, cloud, text. If you go text, you can anything write. Rooms. It will appear only 2D, not appear in 3D. You can see it's not appearing. You go with 2D drawing and give the residential building. And it's only the 2D text. Okay, then here it's option called tag category. It's a door. Okay, now I'm tagging the doors. So here also a door. Now it's overlapping. Okay, now if you click here and go to edit type, here option called type mark is 19. If I change here into window, it will change it into window. You can see how you can name easily compared to Revit Architecture. AutoCAD. Door. Click here as a door. Enter. You can see. Then here is the option called stair tread. If you click here, just click here. You can see 17 steps. It's automatically detecting 17 steps. That's the beauty. Okay. Now I will go with analyze and messing and site. Collaborate. In collaborate, I will explain. Here it's a inter-reference check, and I will draw simply one wall like this and like this. So go to inter-reference check, run the inter-reference, select the current project. It's already selected. Walls. Here also you have to select the walls. Okay, you can see. If you go click here, it will show you because it's a arc. So it's showing that. One second. Here, what happened means. Uh, One second. I will go to interreference walls. Okay, go with this wall. Where is this wall? Here it's showing that it's appearing like what's the result show? It's showing automatically something like it's not jointed properly, like it's happening. Here it's not showing any points, and here also it's showing that curtain walls, and it's our ID. So it's also fine. Refresh. Again it's showing. So once again I will short out the issue. Walls. Create the walls. Now I can check. Refresh. I think not showing anything. Again I can delete here. Refresh. This also not showing. Control Z. Now it's showing. Yeah, that's the beauty. You can check here. Don't want to go to Naviswork also, you can check here also. That's the beauty. Then manage tool, you can add the materials also. So go to material and create a material. Here it's option called create a material. Create a new material. Use render. Check use render appear. Go here, asset command, asset browser. You can open here artist browser. Go to appearance, paint. Go with color green, glossy green. Okay, it's appearing. Apply. uh, Change the name into green. Okay, then go to 3D. Type PT for paint. You can see how easy is this. So that's, you can easily paint also. Then what's the option left? Add and also not required. Demo, it's automatic color. Wait and modify command. Modify command also, it will help. Align tool, offset, go to level 1 and one more option called sections, and if you cut the section from here to here, okay, the door will be appear. You can see the door will be appearing. That's the beauty. So I can do anything also. Then anything is left, walk through. I will show you up through in next after class. So and can create anything also using Revit, interior designs, models, everything. And some of the people are showing that family not visible. So before doing this, we have to go to PC local browser and view. You have to check here, hide items. Here it's appearing. Where is the option is called program data. Go to program data, Autodesk, and I'm using Revit Architecture 2020. Here is RVT 2020. Go to, and here is the option called, where is the option, libraries. Yeah, it's the option Imperial, and it's a metric, and it's a generic. Generic is nothing, it's just option. Okay, same. mm, Same also. Component model, place a model, load family. You have to select. Here you can see this PC local disk, program data, Autodesk. Simply go to RVT 2020 libraries. Here it's option. I'm using metric commands, metrics, and like which one I have select Windows. Select the Windows. Open. So it will opening. Okay. Then go to one more option is called view command. View. Here is a elevation also. Uh, uh, Elevation nothing but this one also. If you click here, it will go to directly the elevation point. Okay. Then here it's an option called scheduling. Go to schedules and quantity. Select doors. Okay. Here, what you want. You can check all the items also, or you have to check wanted. And I don't want description. Count I want. And cost also I want. And assemble name, height, width. Assemble name I will fit into top. Cost I will last. And type mark, where is my mark also I will make it as 2 3. I don't know is this type mark or mark. Okay, if you click OK, you can see that's the beauty. You can see the beauty of Revit. It's automatically showing the quantity dose scheduling. You can see it's a assemble code. We are not mentioned assemble code. Count, it's a 111. Type mark D. Here, if I change here, it will automatically updated. uh Go to level 1. Here you can see the D. And go to here also. Where is the option, annotate, tag. Here 2 and 3, it's appearing in 2 and 3. Door schedule, go to door schedule, change it into T1. It's also D also. Go to level 1, you can see it's appearing in DD. Yeah, you can customize also, and you can do windows also, so it is the better option. It will save the time also. mm, you can customize. Here is a number of option, and anything is left. Room separator also possible. Drummer, viewer, animate, insert, analyze. Can do solar analysis also, lighting analysis also. Messing inside, collaborate, manage, view command. Okay, in tiles you can see, can work with the number of windows. Can close this one, close this, can close this also. Then window will be closing automatic. This one, so this one. And go to the same level 1. So in our plan, hope guys you will enjoy my videos, and tomorrow onwards we'll go with the plan elevation section, and scheduling and content takeoff will stay. And one more is called, here it's the option called render and sheet. First you have to go to cameras, type here, from here to here I want to show the renders. You can see it's appearing. Click double R enter for render. Draft is enough because it will take a lot of time. I will select sun and artificial. I don't want any adjustment here, and render. It will take time, so it's rendering. Yeah, it's rendered. It's a normal render. You can change the color also. You can adjust here, adjust exposure, darker, brighter, background darkness, brightness, darker, anything you have to adjust. And it's option called save to project and export. If you save the project, it will its image will be shown in that project only. If you export it, you can export also, you can save, and you can see here it's showing. So number of options, rendering, it's showing this. You can edit, cannot edit. Okay, cannot customize also, but you have to make it some little bit big. Then here it's option called schedule and content also. It's a door schedule. You have to go through door schedule also, and it's a sheet. Click your sheet and select a new sheet, and load the sheet from data block. Go with this sheet A1 metric, just for reference purpose. Go here, the sheet is loaded now. You can see it's a default sheet. You can customize also. Yeah, you can customize also. Then I want level 1. Just click here and drag and drop. You can see number of the options are showing. Before doing this, go to level 1, and in properties check crop, view, crop region, and notation crop. Yeah, here it's a, you can see, you can adjust. I want room legend, so I think, so I'll delete it. Yeah, you can see. Now we can change the scale. It has invest 50, can see. Yeah, it will a little bit big. I will give the one suggestion. Before doing this, you can first come to the sheet and naming here, because it will appear little bit some, little bit नहीं, completely small हो जाएगा. पहले आप शीट में आओ, शीट को क्रिएट करो, बाद में नेमिंग करना शुरू कर दो, वरना ये देखो ये बहुत स्मॉल हो जाएगा, प्रिंट आउट निकालने के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. ओके, इधर आप नेमिंग मत करो, रेफरेंस के लिए करो, और इधर आके शीट में डेट नेमिंग करो और डायमेंशन भी शो करो. मॉडिफाई कमांड मेजर्स and give the wall center line or place also. If you double click, you can edit here. You can see. Then sheet also completed, rendering also completed. What is? I think nothing will be left. It's a basic and introduction to Revit. You can use also, and it's a rendering also. And one more thing is called ceiling area. Is it created ceiling from here? I will show you the ceiling. Go to ceiling plan. Where is my ceiling? Click here. It will created maybe. Yeah, it's created. Go to camera from here to here. I'll show you. Yeah, it's already created. You can see. I have delete. So you can adjust also. So the ceiling you can add the lightings. Go to architecture component, place a model, load family, and search lighting. Lighting, architecture, internal, and anything. So I can click here. Yeah, fine. It's added. Can go to level 1 also. Level 1, sorry, ceiling 1, and you can add lighting also. Okay, so here you can see, you can add lighting also. So I've directly added through 3D. So then double R enter, draft. Here you can see it's a artificial only interior and artificial only render. It will rendering. Just wait few seconds. It will give the fantastic render. We cannot make any color and all. So see that render. Night rendering. You can adjust the brightness also. You can see darkness. You can see how it's look like for extra purpose. So today is enough guys. Tomorrow onwards we will go with the plans, elevation, section, scheduling, content takeoff, rendering. You can see we are planning to complete around some 10 plus plans. So hope guys you will enjoy the webinar. Thank you for attending, and please share and subscribe. It's a completely free webinar. You will get certificate also. So thank you guys. Thank you attending. Thank you for attending. Please share, subscribe, and support. You will get the entire thing. And I am planning to do one more announcement. I am planning to do uh BIM webinar also, and it's a complete series. I'm just collecting the information. So if you support, I'm also support you, and please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.